Last thing you'll see is smoke as I'm moving on. You took all the love I gave and left me all alone. I'm traveling on this road, somewhere far from home. I put in all I had and I paid every goddamn toll. I'm trying to make it off this highway, highway. Oh, won't you take me home for a minute? I swear it won't be long. Highway, highway. Oh, won't you take me home for a minute? It's lonely on this road.
I've been lost on this highway, trying to figure out life on this road. I lost all the love that I had in my soul, trying to chase everything that was shiny and gold. I ran away from my problems, I know now I'm stuck on this highway with nowhere to go. One day if I come back, will I get to come home? If I promise to right everything that I wrong. But this road kinda bumpy, take on in, my bank acting funny. All those times you had told me you loved me, I tripped that I see why you called me a dummy. Now I'm stuck in the worst place, shouldn't have played with your heart in the first place. Yes, I still do remember our first date, had you smiling like it was your birthday. But I must say,
highway, highway. Oh, won't you take me home for a minute? I swear it won't be long. Highway, highway. Oh, won't you take me home for a minute? It's lonely on this road.
hey, I get it, I get it, I get it. All I saw was me, but your vision was bigger. Alone on this highway, your spirit, I feel it. I meant it when I said your love was the biggest. Filled up my tank with the thoughts of your ear. On the road, trying to race till you dodging these ticks. For kisses, just hoping to fulfill your wish. I listen, I'm on the road back to your city. Hey,
highway, highway. Won't you take me home for a minute? I swear it won't be long. Highway, highway. Oh, won't you take me home for a minute? It's lonely on this road. Last thing you'll see is smoke as I'm moving on. You took all the love I gave and left me all alone. I'm traveling on this road, somewhere far from home. I put in all I had and I paid every goddamn toll. I'm trying to make it off this